I'm coming to you guys today from Death Valley, California. Awesome national park. It's a wonderful place to go for hiking, for seeing all kinds of beautiful scenery that we don't normally see in our everyday lives. But there's some physical challenges for this park. The heat being one, also the ability to have mobility and flexibility and strength. Those three things are critically important when we visit a place like Death Valley. And I'll show you why, and I'll show you how to get ready. Stay tuned. Hello, my friends. We're here with another episode of Travel With Me. This one is getting ready to explore a place like Death Valley National Park. You've got rugged terrain, you've got hills, you've got uneven ground, and you've got a lot of heat and dryness. It's imperative to be prepared before visiting a place like this so that you can get the maximum fun out of it. Let me show you how. The key takeaway from today is that strength is not about lifting weights. Strength is about building a body that lets you explore the world. In order to do that, we need a few key things: a strong core, all the way around, not just six-pack abs. I'm talking about a strong core, good balance, strong legs, and believe it or not, good posture, which means strengthen your upper body and shoulders as well. So when we're preparing for a trip like this, I like to do some compound movements, which I will show you right now. To do these exercises, you'll need some space and a lightweight set of dumbbells. First movement is going to be to warm up. And as our warm-ups usually are, start with a march. Notice I have two dumbbells in my hand. What I'm going to do with them is I'm going to hold them overhead while I march. The second you do that and you start picking up your legs, guess what we're doing? We're strengthening our core. And you can feel it. You can feel that you have to tighten your core to move and hold those dumbbells over your head. So do this for about 30 seconds. Get your warm-up going. Bring the dumbbells down. The next movement I like to do is a reverse lunge. Now I'm going to hold the dumbbells in my hand while I do this. So you're going to step back and up, back and up. Exaggerate the up. Working balance again. If it's too much with the weights, put the weights down. One thing you can do, if you don't happen to have weights and you want to get a little more out of the lunge, go back, dip, come up, lift. Back, up, lift. And if you get it all together, you can go boom, 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 boom. That works balance, lower body, and strength. More core movements, cross body work. Opposite knee, opposite hand. Each of these movements do for about 30 seconds. Rest for a minute in between rounds. Go back and do another round. From there, pick up a dumbbell, feet shoulder distance apart. We're going to go into a wood chopper, up, down. Again, core, cross body. I'm going to go 5 on one side. Switch it up. 5 on the other side. Bring it back to the center, still holding our dumbbell like this. Tighten up that core. We're going to do around the world. 5 in one direction, Hold your lower body still. Switch directions. This is a core and upper body movement. And there you have a beautiful set of exercises that you can do in a circuit format. So you're going to do that once, rest, rewind, do it again, rest, rewind. You're going to aim for 3 sets. Give that a try and see how much more prepared you are for your next adventure. Thanks for joining me today out here in Death Valley National Park, filming right from the Holiday Inn Express, where we're staying in Pahrump, Nevada, right on the edge of the park. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more travel videos this year, so subscribe so you can follow along with me, do the exercises on your travel. Drop me comments. Where are you going? What would you like to be able to do? And most importantly, I will see you next time right here online.